Hi there, you have your very own page. This is great. Hello. I was thinking about you, and I thought, since, you're familiar with the horn, that maybe we could do some single string things together. Now I'm jumping way ahead. I'm jumping so far ahead, but I thought that this might interest you. So I'm going to fold two things in here. Power chords, which, that's all the way at the end of one of the beginning sections. And I'll just assume that you know power chords. And I guess the beauty of that being when you go through your lessons, you'll say, oh boy, I'll be able to do this without any hassle or problem once I get through all these lessons. So here's something to work for. But who knows, let's just try this. A power chord, well, let's start here. First finger on the low E string, first finger. On the low E string, we're going to go up to C, which all this is covered in your lessons. Up to C, and that's going to be at the 8th fret. But for now, the 8th fret, how do we get there? Here's the nut of the guitar. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That's C, just so you know. And even for now, we can do just the bass notes as if we were a bass guitar. And we're plucking with our picking hand down here, just the low E string. All right, and take some time and get used to that. Just have fun with it. Get used to it. You can do it so many times that you don't have to think about it. That's the goal. All right, that's C. Now, for our purposes today, what we're going to do is go from C down to G. Now, you may know that C to G, that's going to be a 1 to 5, C, D, E, F, G. So 1 is your tonic, and then 5 is your dominant, and that's pretty much bedrock, as you know, of Western music. So here we go. We're going to go from the 8th fret of the low E string all the way down here to the 3rd fret on the low E string. So the beauty is the picking hand just stays on this low E string. All right? So we're at C, then we go all the way down to G, down to G. 1st fret, 2nd fret, 3rd fret. That's where G resides. Where is G? The 3rd fret. 1, 2, 3. That's G. All right. Where's C? Where's that 8th fret? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. And if you'd like, you can either visualize, if you have those fret dots, it's in between this dot and this dot. Or if you just want to put a piece of tape there for a while, that's okay too. So we have C down to G. So let's practice that move a few times. And you may pause the video, of course, and just go C to G, C to G, C to G. So get used to that. You can isolate that idea here to here, here to here, here to here. All right? And we can stop it there. What we're going to do, I'm going to give you a little preview here and do a quick recap. What we're going to do is 2 bars of C to 2 bars of G. So we have 2 bars of C, and we'll do 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 2 and 2 and 3 and 4 and down to G. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and back to C. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and that's what we're after, okay? We'll get it. I'll see you in a bit.